It's time to kickstart your guitar playing, but rather than hire a tutor, you could spend your money on this, the Fret Zealot, available for $250, which works out about the same as a month of lessons. Consisting of a strip of LEDs that stick to your guitar's fretboard, a rechargeable battery and accompanying mobile app, the Fret Zealot shows you exactly where to put your fingers as you're learning a new song. This pretty much supercharges the learning process, giving you the boost you need to pick up the riffs, licks and solos of your favourite tunes. Well, that's the idea, at least. But how does it work out using the Fret Zealot?
Hi there, I'm Christian from MakeUseOf.com. This is a Fret Zealot. It's an adhesive strip of LEDs that you can attach to your guitar. Once coupled with a mobile app for Android or iOS via Bluetooth, the idea is that it will then teach you how to play the guitar better, with lessons, with scales, and with a multitude of great songs: rock, blues, pop, the works. Now, can this really help you to play the guitar better? To find out, I installed it. So, the Fret Zealot is mounted with this adhesive strip onto your guitar. It could be an electric guitar, it could be an acoustic guitar. It does need to be a guitar with 15 or more frets, preferably ones that you can reach. Some acoustic guitars will stop there, and you've got then a bunch of LEDs that you won't be able to, no, you'll be able to see, but the frets you won't be able to read. The idea is that the LEDs light up to tell you where to put your fingers. Now, the mobile app that this pairs with over Bluetooth will play a lesson or it'll play a song, and you follow it using the app, using the lights on the guitar. Once paired, it will look something like this. As you can see, all of the LEDs are lighting up, and it's very pretty, isn't it? Now, when a song is chosen to be played, these LEDs will then light up on a single string or a couple of strings or a trio of strings, whatever, whether you're playing single notes or a chord, to guide you through the song. There's 3 speeds in the mobile app. There is a 0.2 speed, a 0.5 speed for half speed, and a normal speed, the same speed as the song. It can be a bit disconcerting using the 0.2 speed, but this, although slow, is a great way to get your fingers in the right place for the tune that you're trying to learn. Although I'd played the song many years ago, it had gone from my memory, so I tried it with Lenny Kravitz's Are You Gonna Go My Way, and I found it quite hard going at first. It was as if I was playing a completely different song, but of course it was completely slowed down. Once I followed the notes and started playing the notes at the right time, in the right way, I then realised that, yeah, this was the same song, but because it's played so slowly, it's very difficult to recognise. But once you're using it at that speed, you're giving yourself the muscle memory in your fingers to then relearn the song or learn the song from scratch, as it may be in your case, and then you can step up to the next speed, and then that's when the song starts to come together. And you may not spend that much time at half speed before you then jump up to normal speed and start playing the song properly. Now, in the app, you won't find any distorted guitar. It will give you a suggestion of what type of guitar sound is right for that song. However, it will just be a standard guitar sound. It's possibly synthesized, I'm not 100% certain, but it will give you a standard sound, not completely dissimilar to that sort of sound. So that is the Fret Zealot. It is a useful tool for learning how to play the guitar, how to play guitar better, improving your guitar skills. To find out more, see our full review at MakeUseOf.com. Make Use Of is giving away 1 Fret Zealot to 1 lucky winner. Are you ready to improve your guitar playing? This could be your chance. To enter the competition, enter the code ZEALOT into the box below. Good luck and rock on!